Hello friends, today's video regarding new smartphone HMD Skyline.
Living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say.
HMD, the parent company of the Nokia brand, today unveiled Skyline, a new smartphone with Lumia-inspired design. HMD claims that the Skyline, which uses the Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 chipset, will be as repairable as the Fairphone. The HMD Skyline design is reminiscent of Nokia phones from the late 2000s. It bears some resemblance to the Nokia N9 and even the Nokia Lumia 920 due to its vibrant and lively color palette. The HMD Skyline is distinctive not only in terms of design, but also in terms of repairable components. The back cover, as well as the screen, battery, and curved charging ports, are easily replaced. The HMD Skyline's 6.5-inch FHD Plus OLED display features a refresh rate of 144 Hz, a maximum brightness of 1000 nits, and Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. The phone is powered by a Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 chipset with Adreno 710 GPU. The smartphone, with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of onboard storage. A microSD card can be used to increase storage capacity up to 1 TB. The HMD Skyline comes with a 108MP primary camera with OIS, a 13MP ultra-wide camera, and a 50MP 3x telephoto camera with 4x zoom. The smartphone's capture fusion feature, which improves photo detail, employs AI. The HMD Skyline has a 50MP front camera for taking selfies. The ease of repairability is its main selling point, even if it is not the fastest or best phone in its price range. The ability to quickly open the phone's back by unscrewing a single screw will undoubtedly benefit smartphone enthusiasts who break the screen or charging port. In addition to partnering with iFixit to supply parts, HMD claims to sell the necessary parts. The 4600 mAh battery that powers everything can deliver 33 W of charging power and 15 W of magnetic Qi 2 wireless charging. You also get an interchangeable power button on the side that serves as a fingerprint scanner, similar to the action button on the iPhone. HMD has promised 3 years of security patches and 2 Android updates in the software department. It also includes an integrated detox mode, which, as the name implies, disables notifications and access to Facebook, Instagram, and other social media apps. A few markets, including the United States, United Kingdom, and Europe, have officially announced the release of the HMD Skyline 1. HMD will launch new phones in India on July 25th, but there is no word on when they will be available in other markets. The HMD Skyline's base model, with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, costs €499, 45,620 rupees. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. See you in the next video.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon.